everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the Queen from the 19th to the 23rd of September 2022 on Monday. Lindiwe or Londiwe celebrates pulling one over the causes. Kahle try to get to the bottom of what's bothering Nkosi Yabo on the Tuesday. Harriet reclaim her stolen property. Nkosi Yabo spiraled out of control. KaMjekejeke give Petronella a cold shoulder on Wednesday. Londiwe's life hang on a thread. Nkosi Yabo finally find a way to satisfy his craving. KaMjekejeke refuses to believe he has a problem on Thursday. Londiwe is at death's door. Will she survive? Petronella wants KaMjekejeke to see a doctor about his importance, but he refuses on Friday. Londiwe receives some devastating news. The Causes brothers hunt for a cocaine thief. KaMjekejeke is desperate to solve his bedroom problems. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.